I actually want to come back to this question that you raised, Lilly, of patient-specific data and large data sets. How far do you think that we are of this general goal of personalized medicine and being able to have hyper-specific, genotype-specific drugs and therapeutics overall? And this is a question to everyone, but certainly I'm curious for your opinion in your space.
I mean, I think the best example currently in the market is like these neoantigen vaccines, where you have a tumor exome, you call a set of mutations, you introduce peptides into patients where you're trying to expand their native T cell population, and those are all bespoke. I mean, but there's a trial here. Everyone is getting a different set of peptides that are personalized to them, and I think we can do that a lot like that across, certainly on the T cell side. So for us, we're designing precise cocktails to target peptides that are presented in someone's tumor that may not be replicable, may not be consistent across different patients. So there are two ways that you make that possible. I think either you have a really, really fast cycle time. So from patient comes in to all the data that you need to understand that patient to kind of the design of the right therapy is really, really fast. Or you have trained very generalizable models, right? So what we're trying to do is train models where we, in advance train the right kind of data so that our models really understand the law of recognition between T cell receptors and antigens in our case, so that anything is an in silico query, right? You're changing from kind of this experimental and computational pipeline to just inference. So like I understand, as soon as I understand this patient's sequences, I can immediately design kind of the right space or go to the right space of my model to design the right therapy. And I think we will get there. It's just a matter of, in our case, like there's very, very limited data that people have generated in our specific problem. But and so we're starting in very kind of known areas of kind of frequent areas, like peptides targets have been very well validated. But eventually we want to get to this generalizable world, which really opens up the kind of precision, immediate design of treatments against specific patients.